Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. To make this doll's kitchen, cut out a piece of foam board that is 30 centimeters long and 12 centimeters wide. Use a pencil to draw the layout of the kitchen cabinet. Cut the pieces out accordingly and glue them together like this. I want the cabinet doors to be on the left side, and in order to open and shut them they need space, which is why the foam board is 1 centimeter lower on this side. I covered the kitchen countertop in marble contact paper, and as you can see there is a hole for the sink. Now attach the doors using pin needle. Cover a piece of paperboard in the paper of your choice, glue it on top and repeat on the other side. And now use more foam board and paperboard to make the oven. Glue a piece of paperboard on top of the foam board frame and make sure that it is half a centimeter wider on each side. Place 2 lollipop sticks on a piece of wire to make the handle. Use paperboard to close the gap above the oven door, but leave a small gap underneath so that you can open and shut it. The water tap is made of a piece of wire and a lollipop stick, and I'm using more painted matches and toothpicks to make a stove. Now cut out these pieces of foam board according to those measurements to make a hanging cabinet. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to know how I made the dollhouse and the bedroom, click the link in the info box. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos like this, and follow Fun and Craft on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!